One of the most common issues in the home is uneven temperatures throughout the home. My name is Brian Stevens and I'm the Service Manager at Climate Control Experts. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. One of the most common issues in a home is to have uneven temperatures throughout the house. Perhaps you have a room that isn't as comfortable as the rest of the home. This is largely due to a poor designed duct system or not enough airflow inside those rooms. If you have this problem in your home, we can have one of our experts come out and see if you have the right duct system in your home to cool and heat your house. One thing we could do if you are having this issue is add a return in your bedroom to increase the circulation. Another solution could be you might need a zone system in your house. Basically how this works is it allows you to have a thermostat in each location that you want to control the temperature in your home. And it uses these damper valves that are electronically controlled to turn open and close so you get the right amount of air where you need it to go. If this sounds like a solution that you need in your home, please contact the experts at Climate Control Experts. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.